Hi guys, and welcome back to my IGTV. So today I have a really cool video for you, and it is with Stylebox, who are an online personal shopping and stylist service. So you basically go online, you fill out a survey and you put in like your preferences. So I mean, whether you want like workwear, evening wear, daytime wear, and also the things you like and things you don't like, of course. And a stylist will put together a box full of 5 items that they think you will love, and you get to try them on, try before you buy, and send back what you don't like or keep what you do like. So I've filled out the survey and I've had a little bit of a preview, but I'm going to try everything on with you today, and you can tell me what you think I should keep and what I shouldn't keep. So you basically pay a £5 stylist fee up front, and then whatever you keep obviously gets deducted from that. Also, the more items you keep, the more of a discount you get. So if you keep 3 items, you get 15% off. If you keep 5 items, you get 25% off. And they work with all major high street retailers and also some really cool UK independent brands. So this is a UK only service, but I will show you what's inside, and you guys have to tell me what you think I should keep and what I should not keep. It comes in a box like this. I've already opened it to show one thing over on my stories if you saw that. But I'm going to unbox everything with you now and try them on and show you what they look like. I'm so excited to see what's in here. Oh, I see some knitwear. I see some faux leather. Okay, the box is unboxed. I'm gonna go put everything on and talk you through them. Okay, so when I did the survey, I said that I mostly wear day wear, obviously, but sometimes I like to wear nightwear. So what I've got right now is amazing because lots of it's day wear, but some of it also can easily work for the evening. So the first thing is this amazing chunky knit. The quality is lovely. It feels like a really nice, cozy and soft winter knit, and it has this big neck, which I'm obsessed with. Like, I literally love a chunky neck. So yeah, I really love this. What do you guys think? Also really love the split here. I feel like jumpers like this can sometimes look really boxy and big, but obviously this one has that split, so it gives it nice like movement. And then I've paired it with these leather trousers, and they fit so well. They fit really lovely and snug. These I literally live in throughout autumn winter. I think they look super cool. Then they're also super nice and tight all the way down to the ankle, which I think is so important. I hate it when trousers are baggy at the bottom. So yeah, I'm really loving this. This is a very me outfit, and then I'd probably just chuck on a big winter coat. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. So these leather trousers work day and night, so I would wear these with a pair of heels in the evening, but also live in them during the day. So yeah, I'm loving this. This is very me. Okay, so next I have this little animal print. Yeah, animal print shirt on. I absolutely love this. So as I said, these trousers work perfectly for the evening as well. So this is very much an evening outfit for me. Put on a pair of like sock boots and then maybe a blazer over the top. But yeah, I love this shirt. I don't know if it's going to show up. Well, kind of. You can see my bra there. So it's ever so slightly sheer, but I really like that. It's not like see-through. You don't need to wear an under top. It's just gives a little bit of sheerness, which I really like. Also, if you can see the detail here, it has this lovely kind of like velvet detailing throughout as well. But yeah, I'm obsessed with this. Super handy that you can like try things on before you actually have to like purchase them. But I'm loving this. Also, it has super like kind of tight cuffs, which if you guys have watched me on YouTube for a while, you know I'm obsessed with the tight cuffs. So it gives that kind of like gypsy sleeve. So this is definitely a day to night outfit for me. Also amazing for workwear. I would probably pop on some black jeans or smart trousers and then wear a shirt like this. But yeah, love that. Okay, next I have this little skirt. This is probably something you guys have never seen me in before. It's a mini skirt because I tend to stay away from them. I don't know why, because when I wear them, I actually think they look really cool. But I think I just feel really young when I wear them. So let me know what you think of this, because I'm actually really indecisive. But this as an outfit is exactly what I would wear out for like cocktails with the girls, that kind of thing. I would probably put on some ankle length sock boots, and then I'd put on either a leather jacket or a blazer and just kind of like make it look smart cash. And it's got these 2 pocket detailings here, and then the zip all the way down the middle, which I think adds a little bit more of like an evening vibe. The thing is with these kind of skirts, you can dress them up or down. I think they look really cool like this, but also I would probably wear them with a big chunky knit or even like a thin knit and just kind of like casual it down a little bit. But yeah, let me know down below what you think of this, because I am on the fence. I really love it, but I'm just not sure if it's very like me. Next, I have this little knitted dress on. I'm loving the colour, and I love how nice and like fitted it is on the top. And then the bottom kind of like flares out into this little A-line skirt, which I think is super cute. And with this cut of dress, I feel like you can dress them up or you can dress them down. So you can put on a pair of like little sock boots or heels, and it looks quite nice for the evening, or you can add a little belt and then put some flat boots on and a leather jacket, and you've got it for the day. But yeah, let me know what you think again on this one, because I do really like it. The only thing I would slightly prefer is to have maybe like an inch or two on the length, just for like day wear use, but I think it's really cute and I absolutely love this colour throughout autumn winter. I don't know if it's going to show up, but it's kind of stitched in this like asymmetrical hem, which I love, especially in skirts and dresses, because it gives you like a nice like swish in the material. But yeah, I really like this. Cute. Okay, now I feel like I'm ready for winter. This is the softest jacket ever. Like, I'm literally obsessed with this. This is, I don't know how to explain this, it's like velvet. It's so nice. Just popped on a little black top, but I would wear this either with a hoodie or a high neck black knit. But just for the minute, so you can see the jacket, I am obsessed with this. And I've paired it with the leather leggings again, so I think that looks really cool because it kind of like roughs up the outfit. But oh my goodness, I love this and I love the colour. I obviously wear a lot of black throughout autumn winter, so I think having this kind of like an injection of like grey looks really, really lovely. Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay, I know for a fact I'm keeping this one. I know for a fact I'm keeping the leather trousers and the knit and the shirt. The only ones I'm kind of unsure on is the skirt and the dress, so you have to let me know what you think down below. But oh my goodness, I really, really like this. Okay, so that was all the pieces that Stylebox sent me according to the survey that I filled out. So it's super, super cool. I really loved it, but you have to let me know down below what you think I should keep and if you think I should return anything. Just a few things about Stylebox. So they either can be a subscription service, so you can do monthly or bi-monthly, or you can just do it as a one-off. I think they're great for you if you're like really busy and you don't really have time to go to the shops and look through all the online shops, or if you are not very comfortable at putting your outfits together. They have a stylist obviously who will help you do that, and also you get styling cards, so they'll show you what to pair with what and how to wear things, so I think it's really, really handy. I have a discount code as well, which is Nadia15, so make sure you use that to get 15% off any purchase. And if you click the link in the description box, if you click the little arrow up there, you can find it and you can sign up and fill in your survey and get started. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you in my next video.